Hi Sagittarians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of August. We are not doing any particular energy, we are just seeing whatever comes, love, career, money, or any general messages, so to say. Let's see. Alright. Okay. But you don't see that you're upset about something, Sagittarius. So you're holding on to an idea, you're holding on to, a thought, you're really worried about your money, or probably you're planning. There are certain plans that are going on regarding your money, state. You want to save more, you want to really, I think your focus is money this month. I feel you have a certain image or a certain dream that you want to reach certain heights in terms of money, and you are really working hard towards it. You're ready to juggle two jobs. You're ready to juggle, freelancing or with job, but you're really holding tight to money this month. I see you walking away from something. I see you cutting off people who don't, are serving you well. A lot of signs are doing that this month. It's always good to be blunt. It's always good to know your worth and let people be. And you're just keeping your swords with you, which means you don't want to fight the fight. You feel that it's just a waste of time. I'd rather let them go. And there's an end of cycle with this energy that you feel. There's an end of karmic cycle where the push and pull of relationships or friendships or business partnerships, whatever, is ending, and a new cycle will begin by the end of the month, is what I see. Let's see what more messages can we get. Yeah, so as you see, there are arguments, there are certain things, but you are the Queen of Wands here. You don't want to fight the fight. You are an Ace of Swords energy where you just bluntly cut off people. You don't want petty arguments, though people will want to do that with you. You will pick up your swords and leave. You will just, they say leave the table where you're not celebrated. So this is what you're going to achieve this month, which many of us are not able to. So you're picking your fights, and you are really looking for focusing on your career path, your growth, rather than all these small quarrels. So that's the energy you are in. And money are definitely looking good because you are focusing on that. So whatever we focus on, we get. Let's see what the Major Arcana cards say. Alright, so lovers. For those looking for love, this is the month. You will meet a new person towards the end of the month, or rekindle romance with the old one towards the end of the month. The Emperor energy is again your energy. You will balance your energies this month. You will, like I said, you don't want to participate in unnecessarily debates and fights where they don't serve you. So you are going to achieve that this month, and probably I think this is for everyone. This is what you will do this month. And for those looking for love is around the corner. The cycle which is ending will begin a new cycle which might have a love interest for you. So this is looking good. Focus on yourself. Whatever you're doing right. When you're cutting off people, just keep in mind that you don't cut off people who actually care about you, because sometimes we just don't see what we are blocking away from us, and in the process of cutting, we end up blocking everyone. So just, I know you're in that phase where you just know you have that job, you have that business, and you know that okay, this is going to take me to where I want to be. But in that process, don't be too quick to take decisions. Think about it. Yes, you can get off the fights and get off the quarrels, but then don't cut off people permanently. Don't burn the bridges, is what I'm trying to tell you. The month looks good. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.